Fáilte go Leavingcertirish.com is mis Seán Gavin agus seo Sraith Pictiúr seacht obair dhéan torthaí maithe san árteisteamíocht. Solid das always, before we begin, you should download the Leavingcertirish app available on Google Play and on iTunes. You'll be able to access the notes for this lesson and of course all lessons which have the video tutorials on the app and the flashcards and live classes which can also be availed of. So download it now before you begin this lesson and access the notes associated with this Sraith Pictiúr. I picture hen feicimid gwyl Colleen in a sea in Ifig on Garmrory. We see in picture 1 that there is a girl sitting down in the guidance counsellor's office. Tá she they play an chursa a dhéanamh she in níoch na harteste. They're discussing the course that she will do after the Leaving Cert. Bhá le cursa sa chemic a dhéanamh, she'd like to do a course in chemistry, mar even lay an tábhar because she loves the subject. Agus dearm mútar chemica gwyl cumas crothaíoch san over, and her chemistry teacher says that she has a creative ability in the subject. Chance nach chfuil she cinnte faoi. There's a good chance she isn't sure about it, mar there she gwyl tilla ólis ag tastal. She says that she needs further information, maidir leis an gcúrsa, or she requires further information in relation to the course. Maidir leis an gcúrsa féin the course itself, agus an clár idachais churfa ar fáil, and the educational program that will be made available. An cúrsa tá i gceisteice, the course in question, beag sé siúil in ollscoil na hÉireann Gaillimh. It'll be taking place in NUIG. There in Garmrory go make a lán ibre le déanamh. The guidance counselor says she's going to have a lot of work to do, mar beag ceithre pointe ag tastal because she's going to need 400 points don chursa sin. Tuigeann she an dúshlán atá os a cormach. She understands the challenge ahead of her. Ach geabhann she dó, she promises him go ndéanamh she péród atá tastal. She says she will do anything required, péród, chun na pointí sin a bhaint amach to get those points. Cúpla ceistan seo. Cén fá gwyl an Colleen san Ifig? Why is the girl in the office? Agus an gapan tú gwyl áras orthaí nó avras orthaí faoin gcúrsa in Gaillimh. Do you think that she is a little bit doubtful or perhaps hesitant about the course in Galway? Star picture seo tá an Colleen caintlean na cara ag glós na scoile. In the second picture, the girl is speaking with her friend in the schoolyard. Ag dara an lá scoile stócha at the end of the school day, it would seem, or it would appear. Feicimid buachalaí gimmer kisfile an gort kisfile. We see a couple of boys playing basketball on the basketball court. Feicimid an fergan of scoile sa chúla choma. We see the school building in the background as well. Tugan an cara cuirde, the friend gives her an invitation chun rud éigin a dhéanamh in éanach lé inis to do something along with her now. Mar hus beag ón stadir as a short break from the study. Ach Júltín an Colleen don chura seo, the girl refuses this request mar níor bhá le ihe stadir a chaile because she doesn't want to lose or miss a night of study. There she gwyl brónarthaí, she says she's sorry, agus meaning she dig gwyl alán oberhaile le déanamh a nacht, and she explains that she has a lot of homework to do tonight. Cach she an obair seo a dhéanamh, mar be alán pointe tastal im léine. She has to do this work because she will need a lot of points this year. Tuigeann a cara an scéal, the friend understands the situation, ach tá brónarthaí nach méid she séir nacht, but she's sorry that she won't be free tonight. Cúpla ceist, conas mar atá na Colleen ag gléiste, how are the girls dressed agus, a bhfuil a cara sásta leihí nuair dhiúltaíonn siad don chura. Do you think her friend is happy with her when she refuses her request? Sa trí picture finds she gléach ó bhuachal éigean ar a phonpóca. In the third picture she gets a call from some boy agus is léir gúil sé i gcéirí labhart leihí. Tugann sé cuirde. He gives her an invitation chun freastal scanan úntach a bheith siúla nacht. He invites her to attend a wonderful film that will be taking place tonight. Batman Marfach is anam don scanan. Deadly Batman is the name of the film. You can put it whatever you want there. Beg an scanan ag tosú sa Savoy. The film will be taking or will be starting in Savoy ag a hocht ag 8 o'clock agus chuirfh sin a ticket in áirithe ar líne más mín leith, and he will book the tickets online más mín leith if she wishes. Arís, there an Colleen gwyl brónarthaí. The girl says that she's sorry agus meaning she dó, she explains to him gwyl aistil a scríbhaice a nacht, that she has an essay to write tonight agus ní nóméad a bhain le spárálacha and she hasn't got a moment to spare. Beidir gúil a múntar gaeilge agsúla heasta mór fada uí mads in amárach. Maybe her Irish teacher is expecting some big long essay from her tomorrow morning. Ní bheith chisat, you'd never know. Agus níl an buchal róhásta lei sin. The boy is not so happy with this. Ach dúiltíonn siad don chuir aonnos, but she refuses to request all the same. Mar tá sí dírithe ar an obair because she's focused on the work agus sin, and that's that. Der sé gúil si cho rion le sean asal. He says she is as stubborn as an old donkey, in other words, as stubborn as a mule. So céim fá gúil an buchal I géirí an scanna necáil. Why is the boy looking to see the film? Agus an dóileat gúil an Colleen count on it. Do you think that the girl is count on it? Very important word to know. Stubborn. Sa chearú picture an seo feicimid an Colleen agus I ag stadar in a siomer lapa sa bhaile. In this fourth picture we see the girl as she is studying in her bedroom at home. Tá leabhar cópleabhar agus nótaí scapa timpeall Mordecai. She's got notes, books, copybooks and notes. Scapa timpeall Mordecai scattered or spread around the table. Tá cuma dígraiseach ar a haig. Really important phrase. She's got a very diligent or earnest look. Agus tá she scríb ar vidogégan and she's writing on some sheet. Perhaps the anashta beidir. Perhaps the essay. Agus I ag stadar hús as she is studying or while she's studying upstairs. Tá tismar I go cup an té agus I kind fuhi sa kitchen. Her parents are down the kitchen talking about her while drinking a cup of tea. There a dad gúil sé burtha fuhi. Her dad says he's worried about her. Mar ní ghlachan si sus ar be. She doesn't take any break. Agus tá air úr tábhachtach don sláinte chomá, and fresh air is good for the health, or good for health as well, or important for health if you like. Níl mam rómhórtha faoina hinin. Mom isn't too worried about her daughter. Der she go mín sus ag an galin gach der seachta. She says the girl gets a break every weekend. Agus is slór sin imlíon ar aon chuí, and that's enough this year anyhow. Meaning she dó gur Colleen Kielvery, she explains to him that she's a sensible girl. Go méid na scúla harta gan cúpla mí, that the exams will be over in a few months. Agus ní bheith gur hí stadar mar seo go deo ríist. Súla dia, and she's never going to have to study like this ever again. Céir tá dhéanamh ag an Colleen I picture car. What's the girl doing in picture 4? Agus an bhfuil a tismothirí burtha fuhi, and are her parents a little concerned or worried about her? I picture 5, lá na dorthaí orteise atá. It's the day of the Leavingcert results. Agus tá gach dalta ar bís faoin am seo, and every student is a little on edge at this stage. Téin an Colleen isteach sa scoil. The girl walks into the school in éanacht lena tistí agus a cordja along with her parents and her friends. Agus finds she na torthaí ón bríomhhead, and she gets the results from the principal. Tagann she amach leis an glúdach. She comes out with the envelope. Osclíonn she she opens it, agus nochtan she na torthaí dubh, and she reveals the results to them. There a dad go bhfuair she 450 pointe. Her dad says she got 450 points. Ní chreideann she he just can't believe it. Ceapan na máthair go bhfuil a cuid torthaí go húntach ar fad nó go híntach ar fad. Her mom thinks that the results are just wonderful. Agus tá áthas an domharthaí don Colleen, and she's really happy for the girl. There a cara go raibh na torthaí tiltte go maithfidh. Her friend says she really earned or deserved the results. Mar d'oibrigh she go crua because she worked hard, agus go dionngabháilte I rin na bliana, and very determinedly during the year. Gan doubt beag an Colleen agus a corda go léir dul amach le chéile a nocht. For sure the girl and her friends will be going out tonight. Chun na torthaí iontacha seo nó na torthaí iontacha seo a cheiliúra to celebrate these wonderful results. Cúpla ceist. Céimh or nó cá bhfuil na torthaí orteise ar fáil, where the Leavingcert results available, agus an bhfuil a tismóí sásta leis na torthaí dar leat. Do you think her parents are happy with the results in your opinion? Agus rís na an store is tábhachtí bun an leithnig. So share picture seo feicimid gúil céad lá ollscoile taca. In the 6th picture we see that her first university day has arrived. Her first day at university has arrived. Is léir go bhfuair she taircint ón CAO. It's clear that she got an offer from the CAO agus gur glach she, and that she accepted it. Cé go bhfuil she sásta bheith ann, even though she's happy to be there. Tá she beag an nervy seach ar maidin. She's a little nervous this morning, mar níl aithne cé ar bhór an Micléanella, because she doesn't really know many other students. Is sin ráta, having said that, maithíonn she faoisimh agus sásamh. She feels relieved and satisfied ag an am cin at the same time. Mar tá she in ollscoil na Gaillimhe faoiar because she's finally in the University in Galway. Feic mi dí ag féchint ar an gcomhartha eolais I lár an Aula Maxima. We see her looking at the sign in the middle of the Aula Maxima. Begar hi chlorú san Aula inniu, she's going to have to register in the Aula today. Don chursa óliachta a bheith dhéanamh for the science course that she will be doing. Céim sa Cheamach Aimach, a degree in applied chemistry. Agus tá amála hara gulanche, she's got her bag over her shoulder agus tá she réig don obair and she's ready for the work. Beg she clártha mar bhacht léin delisnach, she will be registered as a legitimate student I gceann cúpla nóiméad in a couple of minutes, so tá áthas an down arthaí. Cén fá ghuiil an caint san Aula Maxima man, why is the girl in the Aula Maxima this morning? Agus an gapan tú ghuiil she sásta, do you think that she is happy? Gon nearna she alán stadair don orteis, that she did a lot of study for the Leaving Cert. Sin é gur míl máguds. Take good Leavingcertirish.com, go to Leavingcertirish.com where you get more notes, videos, sample answers and lots more throughout the year. Sign up for our newsletter and you'll be able to get some of our best resources sent to you on a monthly basis. In fact, more frequently than that in some cases. And of course, don't forget to download the app. Gur míl mágat.